Have you ever wondered if your kitchen could be your personal pharmacy? Believe it or not, the foods you eat every day hold the power to heal and nourish your body. Imagine your kitchen as a personal pharmacy, stocked with potent healing ingredients, from vibrant fruits and vegetables to aromatic spices and wholesome grains. Your pantry is a treasure trove of natural remedies. In this video, we will explore 10 simple yet powerful food hacks that can help you boost your health and well-being. 1. The power of fruits and vegetables. Let's start with the basics. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for optimal health. They are the foundation of a healthy diet. Think of them as nature's multivitamins. Hack. Blend a smoothie with spinach, kale, and berries for a nutrient-dense breakfast. Add a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. For a creamy texture, add a handful of frozen avocado chunks. Experiment with different flavor combinations, such as adding a spoonful of almond butter or a dash of cinnamon. You can also add a splash of coconut water or plant-based milk for a refreshing twist. Hack. Roast root vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and beets with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of herbs for a delicious and healthy side dish. Experiment with different spices like cumin, paprika, or chili powder to add flavor. You can also roast these vegetables with other vegetables like Brussels sprouts or broccoli for a colorful and nutritious medley. Serve with a dollop of hummus or a drizzle of tahini sauce. 2. The healing properties of spices. Spices aren't just for flavor. They also have medicinal properties. They have been used for centuries to promote health and well-being. Hack. Add turmeric to your meals for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Combine it with black pepper to enhance its absorption. Try adding it to your favorite curry dishes, rice bowls, or smoothies. You can also use turmeric to make golden milk a soothing and flavorful drink. Hack. Sip on ginger tea to soothe an upset stomach. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra zing. For a more flavorful ginger tea, steep it with other herbs like mint or cinnamon. You can also add a spoonful of honey or maple syrup to sweeten it. Ginger tea can also be helpful for relieving nausea and promoting digestion. Hack. Use garlic to boost your immune system. Add it to your favorite dishes or sauté it with olive oil and vegetables. Try adding garlic to your homemade marinades or dressings. You can also roast garlic cloves for a sweet and caramelized flavor. Garlic can be used to add flavor to a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to pasta and rice. 3. The benefits of healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for overall well-being. They provide energy support, brain health, and help regulate hormones. Hack. Drizzle olive oil on salads or use it for cooking. It's rich in heart-healthy, monounsaturated fats. Try using it as a base for salad dressings or marinades. You can also use it to roast vegetables or grill fish. Hack. Eat a handful of nuts as a snack for brain health. Choose a variety like almonds, walnuts, or cashews. You can also add them to yogurt oatmeal or salads. For a crunchy twist, toast the nuts before adding them to your dishes. Hack. Add avocado to your toast for a creamy and nutritious breakfast. You can also use it in salads, smoothies, or guacamole. For a unique twist, try adding avocado to your scrambled eggs or mashed potatoes. 4. The importance of hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for optimal health. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even constipation. Hack. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you. Infuse your water with fruits like lemon, cucumber, or berries for a refreshing twist. Add a sprig of mint for added flavor. Hack. Eat foods rich in water content such as watermelon, cucumber, and strawberries. These foods can help keep you hydrated and provide essential nutrients. You can also try making homemade fruit popsicles or smoothies. 5. The power of whole grains. Whole grains are a nutritional powerhouse. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Unlike refined grains, whole grains haven't been stripped of their bran and germ, which contain the most nutrients. Hack: swap refined grains like white rice and white bread for their whole grain counterparts. Whole grains provide sustained energy and can help you feel full longer, making them a great choice for weight management. Hack: experiment with different types of whole grains, such as quinoa, oats, and brown rice. Each offers unique flavors and nutritional benefits. Quinoa is a complete protein, while oats are a good source of soluble fiber. Brown rice is a versatile grain that can be used in a variety of dishes. 6. The importance of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues. It's also important for maintaining a healthy weight. Aim to include a source of protein in every meal and snack. Hack: choose lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, and tofu. These options are lower in fat and calories. Experiment with different cooking methods like grilling, baking, or poaching to add flavor without extra fat. Hack: combine protein with whole grains and vegetables for a complete and balanced meal. For example, you could have grilled chicken with brown rice and roasted vegetables, or try a vegetarian option like lentil soup with whole wheat bread. By incorporating these 10 food hacks into your daily routine, you can empower your body to heal and thrive. Remember, your kitchen is a treasure trove of natural remedies. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring the healing power of your kitchen today. By incorporating these 10 food hacks into your daily routine, you can empower your body to heal and thrive. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends and family to spread the word about the power of food. Comment below with your favorite healthy food hack, or ask any questions you may have. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Let's embark on a journey to optimal health together.